Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The next aspect of the select statement to discuss is the join clause. Joins between two tables occur when the values within a primary key field of one table are linked to values within the foreign key field of another table. Creating joins within the select statement allows the user to access data from multiple tables within a single result set and is one of the primary functions of a relational database. There are many variations on the type of join that can occur between the primary key and foreign key fields between two tables in SQL. Each type of join is referenced by a slightly different name. The different types of SQL joins are the inner join, the left join, the right join, and the full join. Within different RDBMSs, these same joins may also be referred to as join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. You should check your RDBMS documentation to see which version of the name is preferred. Often, both are acceptable. The core SQL of the select statement with a join clause is shown below. Note that the table name parameter is the name of a table to join and from which you want to select records. The field name parameter is the name of a field within a joined table. The primary key parameter is the name of the primary key field in the table, and the foreign key field is the name of the foreign key field within the table. Choices are shown within braces with the pipe symbol separating the available choices. So the core SQL of the select statement with a join clause is select field name 1, field name 2, etc. from table name, then either inner join or left join or right join or full join, table name 1, on table name dot primary key being equal to table name 1 dot foreign key. Now note that in the on clause, which explicitly names the two fields that are joined together, you see the dot notation of table name dot field name being used. This dot notation is commonly used to refer to a specific field within a specific table. It is often used to refer to a field in any part of a select statement where there is a possible ambiguous or duplicate field name. Most often it is used within the on statement, which joins two fields which often share the same field name in two different tables. The first join type you will examine is named the inner join, or often simply join, as it is the most commonly used type of join between tables. An inner join will display records that have a matching value in the primary key and foreign key columns between two tables. Records that do not have a matching value within both of these columns will not be displayed within the result set. For example, if you have a customers table with a primary key column that is joined to a sales table with a related foreign key column, then choosing an inner join between the two tables will show any customers who have associated sales records. Customers without associated sales records will not be shown in the result set. The next type of join to examine is the left join, which is also sometimes called a left outer join. A left join between two tables will display all records from the left table, meaning the table name parameter table, as well as any associated records from the right table, or the table name 1 parameter table, where the values between the joined fields are equal. Using the same customers and sales example from before, using a left join between the two tables would show all customer records, as well as any associated sales records for those customers. The next type of join to examine is the right join, which is also sometimes called a right outer join. A right join between two tables will display all records from the right table, meaning the table name 1 parameter table, as well as any associated records from the left table, or the table name parameter table. Once again, this would be where the values between the joined fields are equal. So using the same customers and sales examples from before, using a right join between the two tables would show all sales records as well as any associated customers for those sales. The last type of join to examine is the full join, which is sometimes also called a full outer join. A full join between two tables will display all records from both tables, as well as their associations where the values between the joined fields are equal. Using the customers and sales examples from before, using a full join between the two tables would show all customer records as well as all sales records. It will also display which customer records are associated with which sales records. Note that the join clause is placed after the from clause and before the where clause within the larger syntax of the select statement in SQL. There are also variations of the syntax of the join clauses in many RDBMSs. For example, in SQL Server 2012, you can simply use the where tablename.primary key equals tablename1.foreign key clause within the where statement to create an implicit join between them, although this is not the recommended method. Likewise, MySQL 5.7 supports the keyword natural join, which will create a join between two tables with a shared field name. You should always check the documentation for your RDBMS to see what is allowed when joining tables and what terms are used. Let's take a minute to look at an example in Access 2013. So here we have select first name, last name, sale ID, and sale date from employees, inner join sales on employees table employee ID field equal to sales table employee ID field. So if we execute this command, we can see the joined result set between the two tables. Now below are hyperlinks to web pages that provide information on creating joins within the select statement in MySQL 5.7, SQL Server, and Access 2013.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.